for blind. Walking through. This is the Bashka on Iron Street. Carpets. Wow. Nice carpets. Mats. Doormat, door rug. Don't see any blinds at it. Here am I. I'm looking at it's the old section. So I'm looking for any blinds around here.
Yes, guys, you can get your stuff at Bashco downtown, the stores that gives you more. Your mat, your curtain, your sheet, everything for your bathroom, everything for the kitchen, everything for your house. Overall, you have a flower pot, everything, your dining table, your chairs, everything you can think of. It's here at Bashco. Bobs, everything you can
I'm gonna see the blinds.
So clear, so
Hello, you sell blinds? You sell blinds?
this is for like what, a cartoon? It's a cartoon piece? Yeah. Now the time is
Hot time now, guys.
fun. This one.
Three. And I 8,000 dollars. Unique.
We have like fans, chairs, dining tables, and stuff like that.
Shoes. 1700. What's that? Look at this, I like this. I get a foot of ear. Here will get a foot breeze.
I need almost for that.
And so 20 was now it's a 15.
So she need a comfortable shoe.
So the bottom thick.
And I find nothing on.
Yeah, well, 15.
For size 7, size 7. there.
860.
Everything for the kids in this section. Back to school, you know, they need crayon, pencil, Play-Doh, pencil case, umbrellas.
You can come back here.
Yeah, but because there are stuff on the list that I just buy the textbook alone, so they'll come back and get pencils and
What's that you want for drink?
it's around that side. They have water and shelf juice. Oh Lord, that's what everything is.
Oh, the bags. Bags. Check out the bags. Nice clocks. Huh? Yeah.
Just to put the bleach in.
Yeah.
Spray.
Which bag you want? Which bag you need? It's too small. It's too small. She like this, but it's too small, though. She like this. She like this, but this too small, though. She like that, but that is too small.
It's really cool.
Can I hold the book? Alright.
See that the bottom part when and then you don't want to have a can that it goes down. And the share of that problem already.
So $2,400 for one. No bad.
And it's good material. This one is strong. It's a good material.
Oh, you want that? You can go and drink some milk and check it in. Look on the shoes. The shoes are yes.
This one is nice. For Molly. See?
Stop that.